Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another collaboration with Anita and we decided we're gonna swap styles today. So I'm gonna try to shoot like Anita normally does, so more of a fashion feel, and then Anita is gonna try to shoot the kind of style that I normally do, so more kind of a feminine portraiture and with a little bit of fairy tale in it. And we have a beautiful model, Sloan, for today. So yeah, we're gonna start with figuring out what she's gonna wear. I'm gonna try to help Anita all the way, like with styling and maybe coaching her a little bit, and she's gonna do the same for me. Oh, another thing I forgot to say, we're gonna switch cameras as well for the shooting part. And right now we're in my little craft room, so we're just gonna get to the styling.
Yeah.
All right, so I have lots of dresses here and I have even more in this box. So here, let me open that up as well. This is all of my like separates.
Okay.
So there's lots of corsets. Do you have anything in mind
I feel
that
like
you're like
something-
imagining?
I mean, the first thing that I had
Uh-huh.
in here is like it's this thing because it's just.
It's really, really pretty.
Yeah, I kind of feel like it's more like, in my head, it's more like frills and
Mm-hmm.
kind of soft fabric. I think something like this,
Mhm.
or I think this is kind of interesting as well.
Mm-hmm.
And then I like.
Oh, it's one of my
this.
favorites.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Yeah.
So I think one of those three I would like to try on.
Yeah, I think we should get Sloan to try it on, so see what looks nice on her.
So, I'm not sure I'm really feeling it. There's just so much going on and there's so many frills and I feel like the model is getting a bit lost in it. So we are going to change her into something else and see how it works, because this is just a bit too much, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, and actually, I really like this look. This suits you. All right, let's go out.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you my camera. Let
Yes.
me just make sure that. Yeah, I'm gonna change the battery because it's dead from all the shooting we've been doing.
Yes.
And of course, you're gonna need this.
Of course.
You're gonna need the mini ladder.
Of course I'm going to need the mini ladder. Who would I be without my mini ladder? So we'll start you. Maybe if you walk just a bit past the orange thingy. And I actually really like it, kind of looking over your shoulder even, yeah. And then just grab the hair here. And just in general, the whole vibe with Irene's work is very like delicate and feminine and stuff. So you're all like innocent and, you know. So maybe if you were to kind of like sit down like that and maybe have the basket kind of in your, yeah. And again, kind of nice and soft, yeah, looking, exactly. Maybe. Okay, I think I'm finished.
Yay!
Yay!
How did you like it?
Yeah, it was very interesting. It's obviously when you direct me so much, it's much easier to kind of get into your head a bit more, I think. The ladder helps an awful lot, I agree, because you can get a bit more of like a higher view and it's easier to just eliminate it. Because I find if you shoot too low, you get the entire sky and it's just kind of boring.
Exactly. I don't like. I mean, I'm shooting at 1.2, so like a sky is just gonna be white. And like nothing really in there. So the ladder just helps to get a better angle and everything.
And the bokeh is extremely satisfying, I have to say. So I definitely enjoyed it. I think I got some really nice shots.
All right. Well, I'm excited to now shoot your style.
Yes. So another thing that I found in your closet is the coat.
Yeah.
And I love shooting oversized coats. Like that's my thing. Like I absolutely love it because I think it's just very masculine and so on. So in this kind of compilation where you have the bralette underneath and then you have the coat on top. I'm not sure about the ears, and then maybe we have.
I kind of like it with ears too.
It could work, but then it's a bit more.
Oh yeah, no, this is more polished.
Exactly. So it's
then more expensive.
Exactly, and then you just add like simple like black jeans or something, maybe like little boots or something.
Really like this.
Okay, so we're moving on to my part of the challenge. We are going to be shooting fashion. Irene is very excited.
I am.
She's got no ideas.
No, I love it.
So this is the kind of styling we set up on. She's going to have a big oversized coat on top of her. And then we are going to put on a dark wig on her and a beret as well, just to kind of spice it up a bit.
She's gonna look like a French woman.
Yeah, and I love it because I feel like I love shooting androgynous fashion, and like with the poses I always go very strong and very masculine and very open and so on. So I think it's going to work really well with that. It's going to be a lot of kind of like
very classy too.
Exactly, so it's classy, but as long as you keep it really strong and manly and like, you know, frowning and all this stuff. So basically the complete opposite of what you do.
I know, right? That's what I like
100%.
about it.
Yeah.
It's just so opposite.
So yeah, we're going to start with the hair now and then just finish the styling. So
Yes.
I use the 24 to 70 for all fashion work. I usually kind of go between 35 and 40. But I do tend to go to 70 as well for like closer up portraits, and I do take a mix. So whatever you feel like, really. I usually shoot on a kind of 2.8, so kind of at the bottom. Sometimes I go higher if it's like sunny. It's not really sunny right now, so I think 2.8 is fine. And yeah, I do like manual white balance and all this kind of stuff. So
okay, perfect.
take this guy up. There we go.
And this is the Mark IV,
And yeah, you can zoom into the screen.
which is nice. I get you to maybe lean kind of like this and like kind of extend your legs like that.
To get as close as I can to Anita's style, I used her presets for the editing of these pictures. I think I used her fashion pack for these particular ones. By the way, she decided to give my subscribers 20% of her preset pack, so you can go ahead and use code Irene to get the 20% off. I will leave a link to her presets in the description down below if you guys want to check them out.
All right, so we are done shooting each other's style. To be honest, this was actually a lot harder than I anticipated it. It's just with the angles, everything has to be like perfect. Like the way you put your arms, your legs, so that it looks proportionate with the kind of distortion that you get from the lens. And then it also has to look cool and effortless at the same time and like show off the fashion. So it's actually really challenging, but it was a lot of fun. I think at the end we really got in the rhythm and it worked out really, really nicely. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check out Anita's channel as well. It's so good. You definitely are not gonna regret it. And I'm gonna put Sloan's Instagram in the description as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!